Ooh, is that a body in there? Come here, I need to talk to you for a minute.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Locker Nuts, Storage Stalker. Guys, I got this beautiful idea for us right now. So, we all... You want to film too?
Hold on. Yeah,
go ahead. Jack, you want to film too?
Oh, man.
All right. I could just send you guys this and we can all have the same thing right here. But check this out, guys. We all went to the same auction. We all bought...
Good idea.
We all got a great idea. We all bought a lot. We all bought a lot of stuff, each separately. We all spent a certain amount of total.
We're not the Three Stooges. Did you hear that?
I'm Curly. You could be Mo. All right. So, we all bought...
Grouchy.
You're grouchy? We all bought a lot of stuff. Now, we should have a little contest called the Pirate Games. We each take what we bought, we make a reveal, we do an unboxing, we sell it in all our avenues, and we come up with a total of what we spent versus what we sold, and that'll give us the highest profit margin. And we create a winner. A little competition between three of us. Let's do it.
Okay, what does the loser do?
What should we do for the loser?
I like what you suggested earlier.
Okay,
the loser
so the
has to help the other guy.
The two losers have to help the winner at the next flea market in Stockton we're all at, which will probably be this well, it won't be this week because we'll have to get everything said and done. So probably the following week. Two losers got to help the winner unload for nothing before we do our own thing. What do you guys think?
That sounds good. Yeah.
All right, let's shake on it.
All right. I'll miss the shake.
I'll give you the shake. All right. Let's do this. This man is full of competition right here. Loves to win. Loves to win.
Les, where's my gloves?
What about this for $10? Don't ask me why, but I had a patio set in it. I couldn't pass it up. I feel like I can get like 50, 60 bucks on this table set. Money pays for the gas, expenses for today. We'll see. How about this one for 25? Why? Because all I see is file cabinets here. I can't really tell if there's anything in them. They seem kind of empty, but I need to know if there's something in them. Paperwork. 25 bucks.
See that? See how neatly packed that is? I gotta fill the holes a little more, but I ain't got that much stuff. This is all I got left.
All right, we're done. We got Alex's trailer loaded up with his merchandise. Got Jack over here. His truck's loaded. I got some of his stuff in my tray. He's also got Manuel over there. Now we're gonna go to Jack's house and we're gonna do something surprising. Believe it or not. I'm gonna wait. We'll just disclose it soon. That's 14. The heart. The heart is no. See the silver on the edge there? See that? You can see the silver right there. What's up? Want to race? You don't?
My hands smell like condoms.
Like condoms? What have you been doing?
Wearing the condom gloves? Dude,
Oh, nice. The condom gloves.
Yeah, where's your mind?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Look, babe, Jack,
very interesting. We are here over at Lockernut's house, Alex and I. And Jack emphasizes patience. You hear me say this all the time, how something is priceless. His patience is priceless. This man has had a safe in his garage. Two. Well, I was going to explain this. The first safe he's had for 3 months, and the second safe he's had for 2 months. Not opened them, not done nothing. He had just been sitting in his garage. He texted Alex and I. I'm probably going to show a little screen chat. And both Alex and I were astonished because we can't have a safe. We can't even make it out the storage unit usually without getting in a safe. And this man said he's had this in his garage for 3 months.
This one is
2 weeks ago. All right.
This is the newer one. I don't hear nothing.
Oh, yeah.
I hear something.
Do you?
But it could be the
Could
drawer.
have been the.
There's a jewelry box in there.
Could be the drawer.
No, it's a jewelry box. This is easy. I do this with the toothpick. This one.
This is insane, ladies and gentlemen. I just think to myself, like, I could never have a safe way.
Safe. There's a couple
It's safe to say it's a safe. So should we give him some advice for what we would do?
This.
That'd be the
Dig.
educational moment.
Dig. When you hit, just like dig.
Okay.
You gotta just dig in, and then just start prying back. That's it.
All right.
Either or.
Baby girl has a good video for you too, for your YouTube. So there you go. You don't want to do it all pretty and stuff, Jack. It's not like you open up a dishes box. You want to be like rough and.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh.
This is Jack. Is this your safe virginity?
Oh.
I had to ask. Is this?
Kids are gonna watch this.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's all right to say. That's a legitimate word. That's PC.
Dang it.
Come on, Jack. You got something to say? Want to say to your viewers first? There you go. Grab a hammer right there.
Sure,
Yeah, we're
look at
chilling.
this.
A dream comes with patience.
Superstars hanging out open safe.
There you go.
Yeah.
I just love your patience. The patience that you have is truly a virtue, and they always say that patience is a virtue. Yeah. I don't know one single storage buyer who could leave a safe in their garage for 3 months and would not. I would have a conniption. I'd have to be locked up in jail, and I'd still be sitting there. Man, I can't wait to get out so that I can open a safe. I couldn't even imagine it.
Someone bail me out.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Now dig back in there.
Quality teamwork in there.
I'll hold it, and then you go back in.
You want to kind of wedge in between the door and the frame.
Okay.
Don't breathe that in.
Over here.
You want basically what you're trying to do is separate the pin from the wall.
Yep. The pins are right here. Here, let me give it some swings.
I also show you some technique.
A little bit. Oh, there ain't no weight to this bar. I missed 5 times.
Last, see how he's bending it there?
Yeah.
You're separating the pins because the pins basically go like this. Now, when you put this video out, you're probably going to have some people in the comment section. They're going to tell you, well, if you just did this and you just did that. Yeah. And if you were just to call Sentry and, you get the code and you pay them $120 so you can get the code for an $80 safe. Or they're going to tell you you could take a skill saw from the back and you can just cut a hole right around it. Go right around the skill saw, you're done.
Ways, but you're a pirate.
This thing is
There's
gratifying.
one.
Wait, that looks good.
This is the only way to break open a safe. It's how pirates do it.
Then I'm getting kind of good at this. I know before, it would have took me forever. You want to get in there now, Jack? Or no? I'll keep
Great.
going.
The young bucks go at it.
More.
Jack's excited just watching it. He's like, go ahead.
Here we go. 100,000. 100,000. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Ooh. All right.
Ready?
Ooh, is that a body in there? That looks like a body box.
Cremations?
Yeah, cremations. What is that? A drawing book
Yeah.
Tracy.
with papyrus? What is that? Some
Leaves?
I don't know. Is that one of those little cinnamon sticks when you make tea and you know what I'm talking
It's
about?
a
Interesting.
focus pocus, but
Interesting. Something.
it is.
Express Pharmacy
You
Services?
got shadows?
Interesting.
No.
Photos.
Photos.
Oh.
Oh, don't take it personal. Hashtag.
I gotta
don't
get these
take
back.
It. Yeah.
This is the gal that was crying over the photos, so these definitely got to go back. Yeah, I didn't find many photos in there. I was surprised that she was.
Now you know why.
Yeah, photos were in the safe.
The most common thing found in a safe is truly paperwork and photos. The day that I found that safe with the 26 grand, I didn't even plan to film it. I've said, which the clip never made it, was usually safes are full of paperwork and books, and that's exactly what I thought it was in there. Because it's
How you
very.
feel, Jack, about your first safe?
It's a little disappointing. Yeah, this looks like all photos. Both the safes, this is the one I had the least hope in. So
Oh,
the
Oh,
other
that's
one-
good. I like
yeah,
that. Building up
yeah.
this guy and his patience. He's just teaching y'all patience
right.
right now.
Yeah, the next one's gonna be better.
All
Next
right.
one's gonna be better. 2 safes.
What did I
Same
say?
one I bought off of.
This is the same one that you gambled $1,000. He gambled $1,000
$1,000
on a safe. This
Should've
man
sold it.
gambled $1,000 on a safe.
They need
You want me to get that? You got that? All right.
This one's done.
Look at this. My mind is boggled. Jack,
video.
what do you have to say after waiting for 3 months of that excitement?
Well, if I had opened them, you guys wouldn't be here right now. So there you go.
There you go.
That was the real treasure.
That is priceless. I love Jack's attitude.
I'd be here. Looks like you could cook a mean barbecue.
Yeah.
But he took us out to lunch already.
Oh, that was delicious too.
Thank you, Jack. Enjoy any safe. I would drive miles and miles away to open up a safe. It should be part of a safe opening. I live for safes. Saul Princess, what do you got to say about this? Nothing? Always with the words of wisdom with you. So here it is. This is the intro to pirate games. Basically, it's an idea I've had for a long time. It's about the storage business. It's even further than that. It's about the reselling business. And it's about the reality of how to make the money in this business. In this first series, it'll be Storage Stalker, Locker Nuts, and me, the Storage Auction Pirate. We bought something, each a whole lot of stuff, a couple different lots actually, but it's one big lot. We are going to make a reveal. We are going to sell the items and make a sales slash recap of everything, show you how we sold it, where we sold it, what we made, what we spent, and we're going to come up with a overall total profit. The winner of this series will be the person with the most profit margin from their cost. We have agreed that the winner gets to have the two losers help them unload their next flea market load when we're all three there after the winner is chosen for free. That is the contest, what the winner gets. That's for this series here. Our goal for the future of this series and show will be other people to come in, other YouTubers out there. If you are interested and have watched this and you'd like to join us and others in this, please contact me, Storage Auction Pirate, not hard to find. You can hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, as well, hustlegrindrewind@gmail.com. And let me know if you're interested. I'm looking for a dumpster diver or two. I'm looking for somebody who does pallets or two. I'm looking for somebody who picks, somebody who just goes to estate sales, garage sales, flea markets, etc., and they just pick items one by one, list them to eBay, and do their thing. I want to show the variety of this business. I want to show a variety of reselling aspects, because a lot of people might be interested in the storage business, might want to jump into it, but might think in the back of their head other avenues will be the route for them. So I want to be able to show the difference right by each other, give everybody the wide spectrum of how things are done, the profit margin, the overall cost, things of that nature, what time was spent doing it. And I think that'll be interesting. So if anybody out there wants to be part of future series, anybody out there wants to be part of future series, please hit me up and let me know. As well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little intro. There will be plenty more videos coming. It's going to be a combined playlist. We're all going to have a playlist on our video, on our channels, and we'll be able to collab and allow the other people to join that collab playlist, so it'll be a fluid motion. Stay tuned to the other channels as well. Locker Nuts, Storage Stalker, make sure you're subscribed. Definitely make sure you're subscribed to me, hit the notifications button. I've heard a lot of people reaching out to me lately saying that the notifications have been turned off and they had to turn them back on. So if you might want to go double check, make sure you have your notifications turned on, double tap the bell, etc. As well, I got something real exciting today. I got something real exciting coming today. I have had so many plans that I'm finally putting into work. Today, the ultimate plan that I've been working on in my brain, my plan, I'm putting it into fruition. Something really huge, something that has not been done before, something that the world needs to see, something that's just purely out of love. If you all don't know already, this is me right here. I love lovers. I've been saying this for a while. It is my motto in life. I'm over the haters. Giving the haters too much love only increases their power. When you increase the power of love, it takes things to a whole nother level. And that's what I'm about. And what I'm working on today from this point here, that I got a little project of my own, I cannot wait to release that. Stay tuned for that. With that being said, I love y'all. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for everything that we have coming. And welcome to the Pirate Games.